Welcome dear students. In this video we are going to learn how to derive the quadratic formula by using the completing the square method in 4 easy steps. So let us get started. The general form of a quadratic equation is given by ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. This is the general form of a quadratic equation which all students must know by heart. Step number 1. Transpose the constant term which is c to the other side of the equation, and then the equation takes the form as you see on the screen, which is ax square plus bx is equal to minus c. Step number 2. Make the coefficient of x square unity. That is, divide both sides by the coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square is a. So we divide both sides of the equation by a and we get the equation in this form: x square plus b upon ax is equal to minus c by a. Step number 3. Express coefficient of x as multiple of 2. If need be, multiply and divide by 2. In case b is an even number, it can be straight away written as a multiple of 2. Otherwise, we multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator by 2. That is, you just multiply b by 2 by 2. So what we have now, x square plus 2 by 2 and bx by a, that is 2bx by 2a, is equal to minus c by a. Now the middle term, the term containing variable x, we now modify it further. So we write the equation like this: x square plus 2 within bracket b upon 2a x is equal to minus c by a. Pay very close attention to this step. After making the coefficient of x a multiple of 2, or if required, by multiplying the coefficient of x by 2, then what you have to do is you have to split that term in 3 parts. One part will always be 2, the second part will always be x or the variable in the equation, and the third part will be the remainder. That is, in this case, is b by 2a. Now we move on to the next and last step. Step number 4. Add square of the multiplier of 2x on both sides. As we have seen in the previous step, when you have separated the coefficient of x in 3 parts, that is, the term containing x in 3 parts consisting of 2, x and the remainder. So you add the square of that remainder on both the sides. We have here the remainder as b upon 2a. So add b upon 2a whole square to left hand side and b upon 2a whole square on the right hand side, as you can see. So without disturbing the left hand side, we modify or simplify the right hand side. So minus c by a plus b upon 2a whole square becomes b square, 2a whole square becomes 4a square So b square upon 4a square minus c upon a. So LCM of 4a square and a is 4a square. So what we get in the numerator as b square minus 4ac, and the left hand side is just like that. Now pay very close attention to the left hand side. It is x square plus 2 b upon 2a x plus b upon 2a whole square. This is nothing but the expanded form of x plus b upon 2a whole square. Let me bring your attention to the algebraic identity m plus n whole square. What is its expanded form? It is m square plus 2mn plus n square. So in this case m is x and n is b upon 2a. So x square plus 2 b upon 2a into x plus b upon 2a whole square is nothing but the expanded form of x plus b upon 2a whole square. So let us see now. So it becomes x plus b upon 2a whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Now we will take under root of both the sides. When you take under root of both the sides, the square sign on the left hand side gets cancelled with the under root sign, and on the right hand side we get plus minus within under root b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. In the denominator 4a square under root will become 2a, and in the numerator will remain b square minus 4ac within the under root sign. So we have almost reached towards the end of finding the solution and also the derivation of the quadratic formula. So we have like this now: x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we take b upon 2a on the right hand side. So x becomes minus b upon 2a plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now combining these two terms together, we have minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is the derivation of the quadratic formula. And you must have seen that the quadratic formula and the method of completing the square are closely related to each other. In fact, the quadratic formula itself has been derived with the help of completing the square method. I hope this video was helpful to you in understanding the derivation of the quadratic formula. For more videos related to education, puzzles, extra questions and Gurbani, please subscribe to this channel and do remember to like and share. Thank you very much. God bless you all. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। ਰੱਬ ਰਾਖਾ।